Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do one last, maybe one or two more videos on .op, and then we're going to get into some time domain stuff, and that'll be more relevant when we get into um, later in this class and into EE221. But we're going to wrap up the dot operating point stuff. Just want to make it clear that you can use current sources, which we haven't done yet. But let me go ahead and use a current source. So I'm going to type current. You can see that this is my current source, so I go ahead and hit OK and got my current source. I'm going to rotate that so that it's putting current up into my circuit. I'll ground the bottom here, and then let's just go ahead and throw a resistor. You can also just put the wire down in advance and then get the resistor afterwards and place it, and it'll work just fine. Drag my current source up, and let's make this 1 milliamp current source. Okay, and then let's go ahead and make my resistor, let's just say 5K. And so I would expect to see 5 volts here, but let's just go ahead and run a .op to make sure that that's the case. And again, well, like I showed last time, we don't actually have to go to the SPICE error log. We can even just run it, close this window, and then come here and click place .op data label, and there's my 5 volts. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I also want to go ahead and show you how to use dependent sources. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. We'll just make it nice and quick. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how to kind of use this little circuit to drive a voltage dependent voltage source, and then to drive a voltage dependent current source. And then we'll do one more video on the current dependent sources, so that we can just get all the dependent sources covered, and then we'll be done with operating point stuff in terms of tutorials. Just want to just show everybody the basics and show all the different commands and how to really kind of start to get used to navigating LT-SPICE. So we're gonna do these last couple videos on dependent sources, and then we'll wrap up the operating point stuff and get into the time domain. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video.